YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video I have my long-awaited apartment tour for you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys the place. I put so much love and effort into this spot. It really is my dream apartment, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please like if you do, and yeah, let me show you guys around. Alright, so starting off in the entryway, not much going on in here. I've just got my Ring camera with a protector mounted on my door and a door stopper for extra security. I got both of these on Amazon and I think it's a good investment for my safety and just peace of mind. Especially being in a new country, I wanted to feel extra safe, so I'm glad I got both of these. Just behind it is my laundry closet and my washing bag. Not much going on over here. It's just a simple washer and dryer. Fun fact, I didn't know you needed to clean out the lint in the dryer, so it literally built up for like 3 months, and yeah, moving on. And just next to that is my shoes, my yoga mat, and my coat rack where I hold like all my bags and my favorite coat. And the closet just behind that holds all my cleaning supplies and other things like my vacuum, iron, air mattress, and all those types of things. Down the hall to the left is my gaming room. Now I'm just going to give you a sneak peek, as I do want to do a separate video for my gaming room where I go more into depth about everything, and that video should be coming out very soon, so please be patient with me. And right across from my gaming room is the guest bathroom. Now I've got this cute little matching candle and soap dispenser on the counter. You will see there's like this blue theme throughout the tour, which I love. That's what I wanted my decor to be. And in the cabinet below is all of my bathroom hair and travel things sorted into their little organizers. And on the right is extra toilet paper and wet wipes. And behind the door you will see my guest shower, which I haven't used at all in the 3 months that I've been here. And just outside the door is my good old recycling bin. Now on to my kitchen, which plays a big part in why I enjoy cooking so much, because the view is so stunning. Like, I just love looking at the view while I'm cooking. So when you walk in, there's a floor-length mirror from IKEA, which makes it look much more spacious. And then you're welcomed by all my pretty decor, like my flowers, my candle. I've got my paper towels here. And in my fridge, I've got all my goodies. I've got some juvies, some extra alcohol that the girls left, some my almond milk, got my kimchi, my favorite, eggs, butter, the essentials. We got water, we got the lemonade that I made the other day. It was actually so good. And then of course in the first drawer, you've got my HelloFresh. You guys know how much I love my HelloFresh. And just below that is just like extra veggies and stuff. Above my sink is my wine and shot glasses, as well as my coffee mugs, and then above that is some wine and dulce. If you guys know, you know. On the other side we have some cute teacups and normal glasses, and above that is my little spice rack. Then below that you have my toaster, kettle, utensils, sugar next to my plant, and my little cleaning sponge area in the corner. Here is my cute little plate drawer. This is all from IKEA, and then just above that is my cutlery drawer. Most of it was from IKEA and Amazon. Below that is my pots and like little pans and cutting boards. And then up here is where I keep my pots. And of course I had to show you guys my pantry. We've got the Shin ramen, we've got the migarina, of course, we've got my green tea, some baking stuff at the back. We've got baked beans. You guys know how much I love my baked beans, Rice Krispies, and then at the top I have all my snacks. On the other side I have the microwave, and just below it is all like my NutriBullet, my little bowls, my grater, and just like my Tupperware all in there. And oop, okay, we're not gonna talk about the banana, but I'm using that for banana bread, okay? And then I've got my cute little flowers, and then my little like placemats right here. Look how cute this is. Like, I love this area, and my beautiful dining chairs, which are from IKEA as well. And yeah, that's my beautiful kitchen. Okay, so this is my beauty nook. This is where I do all my makeup, all my skincare. Over here I have this little tray with all like my essentials. I've got my little foundation. This is my favorite perfume at the moment. Well, I've got two. One I use during the day and one at night. This is the YSL Black Opium, and the other one was the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I've got my small little mirror here and my big mirror. Shout out Phil for getting that for me on my wish list. And my cute little like jewelry holder. My brushes on this right side. And then in the first drawer, we've got all like my hair products, and then the right side, we've got like all my eye stuff and my hair stuff as well. So that is my cute little beauty nook.
I'm not sure of what I see. Cupid, don't for me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes, and I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign?
Welcome to my living room. Now this is where I spend most of my time if I'm not in my gaming room. I really love how this part of the apartment turned out. My couch right here is from IKEA and the blanket is from Amazon. They're both so comfy and cozy. The floor lamp is also from IKEA. And then I got my clothing rack with all my hoodies on it next to it. Then my coffee table with my rug, both from Amazon. And I just have my photo album underneath the flowers and these two cute little bubble candles next to it. Now, my TV stand is the only thing that I don't like about my place. I'm still working on this area, but for now I just have these here, like my VR, letters from my friends and family. And then above that, we have my Echo Show with some extra blankets in the basket and my floor pillows right behind them. And yeah, I just really love how this part of the apartment turned out. It's so cozy, it's so me, and it just looks so beautiful from like literally every angle. Just above my TV, I have my little rope lights where I made a swan, if you couldn't tell, and behind the couch is just nothing. It's just my like floor lamp. But yeah, this is like my favorite part of the apartment. I just love chilling here with the girls and some friends, watching some movies. You literally look out to the city and see how beautiful it is. And I'm so happy with how I decorated this area. If you guys have any tips on what I should put beneath my TV stand, let me know, because I want to change it up. Now onto my bed and bath. There's not much going on here. I kept it very simple and plain. Got my throw blanket on my bed from HomeSense. Next to my bed, I've got this book that I'm reading, my candle and Alexa. The nightstand and lamps are both from IKEA, and I had Apple on the bed, but I had to take him out because he looks scary. Shout out Simon Lamfao. I had to take him out to the lounge because nope. This bed is so good, by the way, and I had to get a storage-based bed because there was literally no room for my clothes, and it came in so clutch. And this is the view that I see every time I jump into bed and wake up. It's so beautiful. And then over here I have my closet. I've just got, you know, all my stuff hanging up and just like a little cabinet below it. And yeah, this is pretty much my bedroom. I love it so much. It's exactly what I wanted. And just next to it is my ensuite. This is my bathroom. Below the cabinet, I've got all my essentials. And just behind the mirror, I've got all my skincare. And yeah, I pretty much have the same decor as my guest bathroom, but just having all my things in here. So that is my bed and bath. And that is it for the apartment tour, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I wake up every day feeling so blessed and so grateful for everything that I have in my life, and it wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you for all the support that you guys show me. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
And I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since